In this video, I'll show you how to create a new profile in Microsoft Edge so you can keep work, personal browsing, or testing environments completely separate. Start by opening Microsoft Edge. In the top right corner of the browser window, click the profile icon. It may show your initials, a photo, or a generic profile symbol. When the menu opens, select Add Profile or Set up New Personal Profile. If you're creating a profile for work or school, choose Other Profiles, then select the option to set up a work or school profile. This keeps organizational accounts separate from personal browsing. After you select the type of profile, Edge will open a brand new browser window dedicated to that profile. You'll then have two options. You can sign in to sync data, which connects a Microsoft account and syncs bookmarks, history, passwords, and settings across devices. This is useful if you use multiple computers and want everything to stay consistent. Or you can choose Start Without Your Data to create a local profile. This keeps everything stored only on that device and does not connect to an online account. It's ideal for temporary use, testing, or maintaining strict separation between browsing environments. Once you make your choice, the new profile is ready to use. Each profile runs in its own window with its own bookmarks, history, extensions, and settings. That's it. Click the profile icon, choose Add Profile, select your setup option, and start browsing in a clean, separate space in Microsoft Edge.